Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most heartfelt gifts for expecting fathers. The best Bump Ahead Keychain. This thoughtful piece is not just a keychain. It's a keepsake that celebrates the journey into fatherhood. Imagine the joy of a new dad to be receiving this keychain. It's more than just a piece of metal. It's a symbol of anticipation and love from the bump. The keychain features a sturdy disc charm engraved with love from the bump and Happy Father's Day Daddy. Alongside is a pendant boldly stating DILF EST 2022, marking the year of expectation. Simple yet profound, this keychain encapsulates the emotions of a first-time father. This isn't just a gift, it's a moment captured in metal. Perfectly packaged in a jewelry gift box, it's ready for that special occasion. Users rave about its quality and the emotional impact it brings. It's not just about the product, it's about the memories it creates. Ideal for any new dad-to-be, whether it's for Father's Day, a birthday, or just a surprise to show how much you care. In conclusion, the best Bump Ahead Keychain is more than a piece of metal. It's a heartfelt gesture that speaks volumes. If you're looking for a meaningful gift for an expecting father in your life, look no further. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews like this one. Until next time, happy gifting!